life of a city boy. Oh yeah, que dama. Oh yeah, que jello. Oh yeah, que no. Oh yeah, que oh yeah, que oh yeah, que mama sheba.
In this video, we'll be doing the 3-point gait pattern. So the 3-point gait pattern, you're going to need 2 assistive devices. So in this scenario, I'm going to use crutches. And the way that you want to make sure that the crutches are suited for you is that you want your wrist to be lined up with this part. And then if you could fit 3 fingers right here. So looking at it, these are suitable for me. So for the 3-point, it's going to be non-weight bearing. So let's say that my left leg is the one that's impaired. Then it's going to be, I'm going to have my knee flexed. It's going to be off the ground. Then what we're going to do, we're going to have a swing to and a swing through. So the swing to would be kind of like the one that you would start with. Then the swing through is the one that most people do. That's the progressive part of it. So the way you do this is we're going to go crutch, and then we're going to swing 2 in the middle of the crutches. Go crutch, then we're going to swing 2. And remember, it's non-weight bearing. So 2. All right. So now we're going to do swing through. So that's swinging through the crutches. We're going to go crutches, swing through, crutch, swing through, crutch.
Oh yeah, que dama. Oh yeah, que jello. Oh yeah, que no. Oh yeah, que